here, and then let's start with this one here. So this is a Peppa Pig foam, and inside there is a canister hidden, just like our lungs. So what I want everyone to do, take a big deep breath in. Oh, that's so good. And breathe out. Breathe in, and breathe out. Now keep breathing, otherwise you'll die. I can't really hear much, but keep breathing. Now, whenever I press this button, when I press the button, the gas that's inside there has been really squashed together, and it kind of expands outwards and goes through the soap, and it makes the foam. So I've got a liquid, I've got a gas inside, and then I can kind of, squirt it onto my hands. But watch. It's bouncy. So we've got a liquid that's filled with gas. So it now behaves like a solid. How weird is that? That's really cool. So what I'm going to do, I've got a little tray here, and I thought I'd do something kind of creative. So what we're going to do now is we're going to zoom back to my laptop so we can kind of see it close up. And so that is a body. Okay, and there we go. I'm going to make a head. Here we go. Now, there's my snowman. Want to be a snowman? Now, we've got lots of different colors. So I've got pink. So I can kind of, I can kind of make some pink eyes. There we go. Now, I've got some blue. So let's make some blue buttons. Whee! Okay. Oh, it's quite a lot of blue there. So there's a button there. There's a button there. And I think I might give them some arms as well. Okay, fantastic. And then, because Peppa is a princess, we're going to make this into a princess, and we're going to get a crown. How funny is that? I love that. And because of these foams come in lots of different colors, we can mix them. Now, I'm going to take a seat now. So I'm just going to move my little snowman over there. And I'm going to move my tray down, and I'm going to take a seat. Now, normally when I do this, I'm on a big stage and I can go backwards and forwards. But I'm at home. Who knew you could do science like this at home? Right, now, we're going to need a bath. So here is my bath, and I'll have a candle in a minute. So we're going to bath all the children first, and then we're going to have a nice bubble bath with a candle beside and relax. So there's my bubble bath. So Peppa, she's going to go and get ready. So Peppa's going to get undressed, and here she is. There she is, all ready to go in the bath. Now, I don't know about you and your brothers and sisters and things, but sometimes brothers and sisters can do some really weird things in the bath. And Peppa is going to do this weird thing. And the reason we're looking at this is when we look at these foams, can you see that there's a fire symbol there? And for those of you that, like me, eyesight's not great, there we go, highly flammable. So the gas inside these, oh my goodness, there's another one, but the symbols are really small. But it's very important. Doesn't matter what we're using. If we're going to be scientists, we have to look at the back of every container to see what that means. Now, hopefully you've all had breakfast. Some of you may have had lunch already as well. And inside your intestines, you're making gas. And this gas pops out of your bottom sometimes. And pigs make lots of this gas. So what we're going to do is we're going to put Peppa into the bath. Are you ready for this? And she's going to make, oh my goodness, did you hear that noise coming from Peppa? Oh my word. Okay, so now Peppa's dressed again because she wants to see this in action. So we're going to put Peppa there. And now this is going to be quite dangerous. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put on my safety glasses. Okay, now if we put that there, whenever we've got these foams and the children are in the bath, all of these bubbles start to pop. And when those bubbles start to pop, the gas is released. So if I decide to get into this bath and then at the same time, you know, I thought, ooh, I'm just going to light a candle, this is what could happen. Oh my goodness. We have got a disaster. So even though this foam is amazing, never have any heat near it because it is flammable, like flames. Give me that word, flammable. Da, 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 da. Okay, now let's have a look and see what has happened to my snowman. Now, if we think about fire, fire is quite hot. So if we put my snowman near something that's quite hot, what could happen? It will burn. So even though this is a great material for us to play with, it is dangerous if we have fire there. So we're not going to have any fire near it, but then we can have lots of fun. So this material then is called a foam. It's very, very, very tiny, tiny bubbles. And when they all gather together, because they're so small, we can mold them and we can bounce them and we can have lots of kind of crazy fun. Right. Now, this is the most fun part. I'm just going to